I'm not gonna do much talking, but sorry, I haven't and other family things have taken a long time. So, I'm gonna start posting. This is just going to be mountains.
Yeah, I think I'm excuse me, sir. I've been next to the man for
Well, sure, why not? Oh, is this comment? It might be mountains. Without talking. Enjoy.
I know. Okay. Have a good day. Dude, dang it. Tag lag. Hello, little ones. I'm not anymore. It stopped. Bro, this kid. This legit tag lag. Yeah, I'm tagged. No, you're not. There's tag lag because I'm tagging this tiny little. I'm tagged. On my screen, I'm tagged. I'm tagged on my screen. No, you're not. Wait, even if I literally just saw that. You're literally not tagged. I'm tagged. You're literally tagged. If you think that you're good at the game just because those tag lag, you're really you're actually pretty skilled at it. Bro, you said I was good at a game. Yeah, because if you think that you're good at a game just because you really I'm so good because of the tag. I'm touching it! Bro, why is it so long though? Why is it so long though? If you think that you're good just because you're not getting tagged, you're making me really tag. But what the fuck are you like? He never said he thought he was done. Yeah. You guys are putting words into. He never said that. Shut the heck up, boy. My gosh, made me throw up words. I'm not a 4-year-old. Oh. Are you mad that I'm agreeing with him? He never said that. He does. I tagged you. You did it. I'll read everything about that when you use scrolling. What you doing, bud? Everyone's gay. Okay. Even though I'm already tagged. Yeah, if you're not because I'm tagged. And if those tags are you're gay. On the board. If you're not tagged. You're not tagged. So everybody that's tagged. He's not wait, here's that. He's not tagged. He's not tagged. He's not tagged. I'm just trying to record my first time being on my Oculus. Maybe I'm on that. You missed! You missed! I didn't miss. There's tag lag. Tag lag, kid. You're not good just because you have tag lag. You missed. I don't even know how I thought of that, bro. I'm leaving. Bro, I hate tag lag. Tag lag sucks. For me, I'm tagged. On the board, it says I'm tagged. You juke sucks! That happens a lot. Secret tunnel. I know. It happens like almost. Hey, tag me! Guys, tag me! Tag! Tag me. Look at this. Look at this. Nah, I don't feel like it. I got tag lag. You're not good. I don't know. I got lag. Oh, why am I tagged? Run, Forrest, run. I'm running all the time though. Well, tag lag came from little kids little mini kids that got because the Wi-Fi is slow. Wi-Fi. Whoa, it's one. Told you I was you. Tag. See? Yeah, screw you. Okay, a lot of monkey tagging. I'm gonna fuck your mom. Got him! I can't. Whoa, there's tag lag. I did tag lag. I'm speeding him up. Hey, wait. Well, this tag me? God, just... What? There's too much tag lag. Bro, stop jumping over me. What? It's not my fault you're short. No! I'm leaving. I want to tag. I mean, no, I want... Okay, there. my god, you're so good. You do
Literally inside you. That's a big boy. There's so much tag lag, bro.
Guys, there's tag lag. There's tag lag. Tag lag. Tag lag. You almost heard everybody.
Jesus.
Bye.
I'm good.
I woke up in Where are the lava monkeys at?
I'm right here, big boy. Oh, Jesus.
Which one would you want to shove up your ass? Which one are these candles?
Oh, it's this one. Oh, Jesus.
Wait,
No.
I need to restart.
Lord in heaven.
No, oh no, no, he's gonna touch me! I knew someone was gonna touch me.
Yeah, me.
No, I touched him.
No, I want to touch him.
What?
Too bad I did.
I thought I was gonna be in the bed.
But I wanted to touch him.
You have to make it weird, bro.
Are there any rats in there? What you gonna? What you gonna do? Yo, are there any rats in this lobby? I see rats. What you gonna do? What you gonna?
Man, I don't want to do this, bro.
Did you pray today?
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Did you pray today?
No, I'm gonna go back in your bed, Uncle Jerry.
Oh, sweet Jesus.